Listen to the passage and answer the questions from 1 to 6. Mustafa Kemal Atatürk is the father of modern Turkey. He was born in 1881. He chose the army as a career and in 1915, during the First World War, he led the Turkish army in Gelibolu and Istanbul. By the end of the war, he was a hero, and from that time, all of the Turkish people supported him. He led the Turkish army in the War of Independence, and in 1923 he became the first president of the new Republic of Turkey. During the last 15 years of his life, Atatürk introduced many reforms to improve life in Turkey. He died in November in 1938, but today the people of Turkey still think of him with great respect, as he did many things for his country. Listen to the passage and answer the questions from 1 to 6. I live in a house near the mountains. I have two brothers and one sister, and I was born last. My father teaches mathematics, and my mother is a nurse at a big hospital. My brothers are very smart and work hard at school. My sister is a nervous girl, but she is very kind. My grandmother also lives with us. She came from Italy when I was 2 years old. She has grown old, but she is still very strong. She cooks the best food. My family is very important to me. We do lots of things together. My brothers and I like to go on long walks in the mountains. My sister likes to cook with my grandmother. At the weekend, we all play board games together. We laugh and always have a good time. I love my family very much. Listen to the passage and answer the questions from 1 to 6. Hi, nice to meet you. My name is John Smith. I am 19 and a student in a college. I go to college in New York. My favorite courses are geometry, French, and history. English is my hardest course. My professors are very friendly and smart. It is my second year in the college now. I love it. I live in a big house on Ivy Street. It is near the college. I share the house with three other students. Their names are Bill, Tony, and Paul. We help each other with homework. At the weekend, we play football together. I have a younger brother. He just started high school. He is 14 and lives with my parents. They live in Boston. Sometimes they visit me in New York. I am happy when they visit. My mom always brings me sweets and candy when they come. I really miss them. Listen to the passage and answer the questions from 1 to 6. Hi, I am Tom. My daily routine is very simple. First, I wake up, then I get dressed and walk to school. I don't ride a bike or a bus. I usually prefer walking. I like to go to school. It is raining. I don't like the rain. During lunch, I have a sandwich and an apple. After school, I play outside. I like to play. I love reading a book too. It is one of my hobbies. Then I return home. My mother cooks something for the dinner. My mother's meals are always very delicious. After dinner, I go to bed, but I don't like to go to bed so early. Listen to the passage and answer the questions from 1 to 6. Hi, my name is Tim. One of my favorite vacation places is Mexico. I really like the weather there because it never gets cold. The people are very nice too. They never laugh at my bad Spanish. The food is really good. The capital, Mexico City, is a very interesting place to visit. It has some great museums and lots of fascinating old buildings. The hotels are too expensive to stay, but there are more affordable options. For example, you can stay at one of the beach resorts like Acapulco. If you are planning to visit Mexico, you should definitely see the Mayan temples near Merida. Listen to the passage and answer the questions from 1 to 6. My name is Clark, and I will tell you about my city. I live in an apartment. In my city, there is a post office where people mail letters. On Monday, I go to work. I work at the post office. Everyone shops for food at the grocery store. They also eat at the restaurant. The restaurant serves pizza and ice cream. My friends and I go to the park. We like to play soccer in the park. On Fridays, we go to the cinema to see a new movie. Children don't go to school at the weekend. Each day, people go to the hospital when they are sick. The doctors and nurses take care of them. The police keep everyone safe. I am happy to live in my city. I love my city very much. Listen to the passage and answer the questions from 1 to 6. Healthy food is good for you. You need healthy food for shiny hair and strong bones. You need it so you can grow tall and feel good. The best part about healthy food is that it is tasty. You can find grains in bread, rice, and pudding. You should eat grains every day. Milk, cheese, and yogurt are also important. These will give you strong bones. Meat, beans, fish, and nuts give your body iron and protein. You can also eat an egg or some butter to help keep your body healthy. Fruit and vegetables are good to eat. Eat many kinds of greens each week. Chips and cookies are tasty, but eat only a few times. When you eat healthy food, your body will thank you. Listen to the passage and answer the questions from 1 to 6. Michael Jackson is one of the most influential and significant cultural figures of the 20th century. He is considered the king of pop and one of the best selling music artists of all time. He holds 16 Guinness World Records. Apart from the various world records that he holds, Michael Jackson introduced famous dance moves such as the moonwalk and the robot that continue to inspire young dancers throughout the world. A brilliant musician and energetic performer, Michael Jackson transformed the art of music videos and paved the way for modern pop music. His magnificent influence extended beyond the music industry. Listen to the passage and answer the questions from 1 to 6. Baku is the capital of the Republic of Azerbaijan. It is one of the largest industrial, scientific, and cultural centers. It is a major port on the west coast of the Caspian Sea, in the southern part of the Absheron Peninsula. It is a lively and very interesting city where life doesn't stop even at night. Over the last 10 years, Baku has greatly changed. New multi-story buildings of shopping centers, hotels, and banks harmonize very well with the old buildings. Baku is divided into 11 administrative districts. Baku is located on the western shore of the Caspian Sea. Its area is approximately 2.2 thousand square kilometers. Listen to the passage and answer the questions from 1 to 6. Ibn Sina was born in 980 near the city of Bukhara in Central Asia. He was known in the West as Avicenna. Ibn Sina was one of the most prominent Muslim physicians and philosophers of his time. His influence on Islamic and European medicine persisted for centuries. The Europeans called him the Prince of Physicians. In his childhood, he devoted his time for studying Islamic law, philosophy, logic, and natural sciences. At the age of 13, he started studying the medical sciences. By the age of 18, he was a well established physician, and his reputation became well known in his country and beyond. Listen to the passage and answer the questions from 1 to 6. Hi, my name is Joshua. I am a financial advisor. Yesterday I had a very busy day. I woke up at 6:30. I washed my face with cold water. Then I went to the kitchen and had a cup of coffee and toast for breakfast. I brushed my teeth, took the trash out, ironed my clothes, and finally I got dressed and left home around 7 o'clock. I arrived at work at 8 o'clock. I needed to finish up 6 reports before noon. At 12 o'clock, I had half an hour lunch with my colleagues. After lunch, we had a meeting until 2 o'clock. Then I visited one of my clients at 3 o'clock to talk about his financial plans. I came back to work at around 4 o'clock and prepared 3 more reports. Finally, at 6 o'clock, I was able to leave my office and I was exhausted when I got home. Listen to the passage and answer the questions from 1 to 6. My name is Tom. My favorite hobby is photography. When I have time, I take my camera and take lots of pictures. I photograph the world around me. I take photos when I am at my grandparents'. They live in the village near the forest and they have a big garden. It is a nice place for me. I get up in the morning and go to the garden or to the forest. Sometimes I see some animals. I try to take their pictures. At home, my dad helps me to choose the best photos. I send them to magazines. I won a photo competition once. I have got a beautiful album called Wonders of the World. That says we are going to our grandparents for the weekend. I can't wait. I will be able to take lots of photos there. Listen to the passage and answer the questions from 1 to 6. Monkeys are clever and social animals. They are famous for running and jumping through trees easily. There are about 200 types of monkeys. Scientists divide them into two groups: Old World monkeys and New World monkeys. Old World monkeys are found in Africa and some parts of Asia. New World monkeys are found in the tropical regions of Central and South America. Most monkeys live mainly in trees in the rainforests. Monkeys are very different in size. On the whole, Old World monkeys are larger than New World monkeys. Most monkeys are active during the day. The old monkeys are active at night. They are also called night monkeys. Listen to the passage and answer the questions from 1 to 6. The Earth is our home planet. It is the third planet from the Sun and the only place where living things inhabit it. The Earth is the fifth largest planet in the solar system. It is the only world in our solar system with liquid water on its surface. The Earth is just slightly larger than nearby Venus. It is the biggest of the four planets closest to the Sun. The name Earth is at least 1000 years old. All of the planets except the Earth were named after Greek and Roman gods and goddesses. However, the name Earth is a Germanic word which means the ground. Listen to the passage and answer the questions from 1 to 6. The British Isles are a group of islands in northwestern Europe. They have a long geographical and geological history. The biggest islands here are Great Britain and Ireland. Great Britain is the biggest island in the British Isles. It is home to three countries. These are England, Wales, and Scotland. Great Britain is also the biggest island of Europe. Ireland is the third biggest island in Europe. The second largest island in Europe is Iceland. However, Iceland is not a part of the British Isles. The climate of the British Isles is mild, moist, and changeable. These islands are mostly rainy throughout the year. Listen to the passage and answer the questions from 1 to 6. Nikola Tesla was an ethnically Serbian inventor, electrical engineer, mechanical engineer, and physicist. He is best known for his contributions to the design of modern alternating current electricity supply system. He was born in the village of Smiljan, in the part of former Austria-Hungary that is now Croatia. He later became an American citizen. Tesla got his first job in Budapest in 1882, working at a telephone company. A few years later, he moved to the United States. Even in his early life, he was inventing things. His best known invention was an electric motor that could run well on alternating current power. Tesla died in Manhattan, New York City on January 7, 1943. Elon Musk was inspired by him for his very famous project, Tesla. Listen to the passage and answer the questions from 1 to 6. London is the capital of the United Kingdom and its largest city. It is also the city with the highest population in the United Kingdom. The population is about 9 million. The city is the largest in Western Europe by population and area. On the Thames, London has been a central city since it was founded by the Romans. London is one of the world's most important political, economic, and cultural centers. London was the capital of the British Empire, and for 3 centuries it was the center of power for large parts of the world. The climate of London is moderate. Listen to the passage and answer the questions from 1 to 6. Tom Cruise is an American actor and producer. He was born in New York. He has starred in many movies including War of the Worlds and Jerry Maguire. Tom Cruise is one of the highest paid actors in Hollywood. His first movie was Endless Love. His first leading role was in the movie Risky Business. He has been nominated for 3 Academy Awards and has won 3 Golden Globe Awards. He is best known for playing in 6 Mission Impossible films. His other key films are Vanilla Sky, Minority Report, The Last Samurai, War of the Worlds, Night and Day, Jack Reacher, and Edge of Tomorrow. Listen to the passage and answer the questions from 1 to 6. Muhammad Ali was an American boxer. He was born in Louisville, Kentucky. He became one of the most famous boxers in the world with his rope-a-dope technique. He was also well known for his clever rhymes. In 1999, Ali was named Sportsman of the Century by Sports Illustrated magazine. He won World Heavyweight Boxing Championship 3 times. Ali also won Olympic gold medal for boxing during the 1960 Summer Olympics in Rome, Italy. Ali was also known as Greatest. Muhammad Ali was married 4 times. He had 7 daughters and 2 sons. One of his sons was adopted by him. Listen to the passage and answer the questions from 1 to 6. Germany is a country in Central Europe. To the north of Germany are the North and Baltic Seas and the Kingdom of Denmark. To the east of Germany are the countries of Poland and the Czech Republic. To the south of Germany are the countries of Austria and Switzerland. To the west of Germany are the countries of France, Luxembourg, Belgium, and Netherlands. The total area of Germany is about 357,000 square kilometers. Most of Germany has warm summers and cold winters. Germany had a population of 83 million people, the second largest in Europe after Russia. After the United States, Germany is the second most popular country for migration in the world. Listen to the passage and answer the questions from 1 to 6. Madrid is the capital and the largest city of Spain. Madrid is in the middle of Spain. About 7 million people live in Madrid. Madrid is the second largest city in the European Union. As it is the capital city, Madrid is where the monarch lives and government locates. Madrid is the financial center of Spain. Many large businesses have their main offices there. It has 4 important football teams: Real Madrid, Atletico Madrid, Getafe, and Rayo Vallecano. People who live in Madrid are called Madrilenos. Spain's royal palace is in Madrid. It is one of the largest palaces in Western Europe. Listen to the passage and answer the questions from 1 to 6. The Amazon River is the largest river in the world by the amount of water. It flows through the tropical forests of South America, mainly in Brazil. The Amazon River carries more water than the next 8 largest rivers of the world. Because of its size, it is sometimes called the sea. But it is not the world's longest river system. The world's longest river is the Nile River. The Amazon is the second longest river in the world. The source of Amazon is in the Andes Mountains of western South America. From there it flows east to the Atlantic Ocean. Listen to the passage and answer the questions from 1 to 6. Titanic is a 1997 American epic romantic disaster movie. It was directed, written, and co-produced by James Cameron. The movie is about the 1912 sinking ship Titanic. The main characters of the movie are Kate Winslet and Leonardo DiCaprio. Titanic ran for 200 days in cinemas. At the time when the movie was released, it was the most expensive movie ever made. Titanic had a budget of $200 million. The movie was released on December 19, 1997. It received positive critical reviews. The movie won 11 Academy Awards and was nominated for 14 total Academy Awards. It was also a commercial success with a total worldwide gross of more than $2 billion. Listen to the passage and answer the questions from 1 to 6. Pop is modern music. that usually has a strong rhythm and uses electronic equipment. Pop music is a type of popular music that many people like to listen to. The term pop music can be used for all kinds of music that was written to be popular. The term pop music was used from about 1880s when new kinds of music became popular. Styles of pop music in the 2020s include rock music, electronic dance music, and hip hop. Different kinds of music are popular at different times, which change the description. Pop music generally has a heavy beat, so that pop music is good for dancing. Listen to the passage and answer the questions from 1 to 6. An apple is the edible fruit of a number of trees, known for its juicy green or red fruits. The tree is grown worldwide. Its fruit is low cost, popular, and common all over the earth. The apple tree comes from southern Kazakhstan, Kyrgyzstan, Uzbekistan, and China. Apples have been grown for thousands of years in Asia and Europe. They were brought to North America by European settlers. Apples have religious and mythological significance in many cultures. Trees and fruit are attacked by fungi, bacteria, and pests. Worldwide production of apples is about 100 million tons. China grew 49% of the total. Listen to the passage and answer the questions from 1 to 6. Apple is a multinational company that makes personal computers, mobile devices, and software. It was started in 1976 by Steve Jobs and Steve Wozniak. Apple calls its computers Macintoshes or Macs, and it calls its laptops MacBooks. Their line of mobile music players is called iPod, their smartphone line is called iPhone, and their tablet line is called iPad. The company's first product is now called Apple One computer. It began selling in 1976. In 1977, Apple made its second computer named Apple II. Apple II was a home computer which later became very successful compared to Apple I. Listen to the passage and answer the questions from 1 to 6. Oliver Twist is Charles Dickens' second novel. It was first published in 1838. It tells the story of an orphan boy and his adventures among London streets. Oliver is captured and forced to work among the thieves until redeemed by a gentleman who has taken an interest in him. Characters include Fagin, Nancy, Bill Sikes, and the Artful Dodger. The book is one of the earliest examples of the social novel. It draws readers' attention to the evils such as child labor, the recruitment of children as criminals, and the presence of street children. The book has been adapted to a popular musical play called Oliver and several popular movies. Listen to the passage and answer the questions from 1 to 6. The Maiden Tower, also called Kız Galası, is in the old city Baku in Azerbaijan. It is an ancient and historical tower. It was built in the 12th century as a part of the walled city of Baku. It is on the UNESCO's World Heritage List. The tower is one of the most noted landmarks and Azerbaijan's most distinctive national emblems. It is on the Manat and other official letterheads. The Maiden Tower now is an interesting museum. It also has a gift shop. The tower is covered by a cloud of mysteries and legends. The Maiden Tower symbolizes the history and culture of Azerbaijan. Listen to the passage and answer the questions from 1 to 6. A gun is also called a firearm. It is a weapon used to shoot bullets. The first guns made of wood or bamboo are thought to have been made in China. In the next few centuries, they spread to other parts of Asia and Europe, where they were made of metal. Guns largely replaced bows and arrows when they became strong enough to reach out over longer distances to reliably hit a target. They are of many different sizes. Some are small enough to hold in one hand, others are large enough to sink a warship. Guns can be very effective weapons. Their bullets fly faster than an arrow or spear.